A warm greetings to all. I'm Sunita Rawat, Faculty of Informatics Practices. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. This video is based on the career counseling session. I will explain here why subject IP is important and how it will be helpful for your career. What is informatics practices? It is a course to get acquainted with computer terminologies and problem solving. The aim of the subject is to understand the application development process, gain programming skills and front-end application development. You will gain skills in database creation and querying using ANSI SQL. IP is about gaining knowledge in advance. If you want to take CS in engineering, then it's best option. CS is the study of programming, software testing, developing various programming skills, networking database. You can study from the basic to advanced. IP is about the following things. It is good for grades. It is easy. You wouldn't get too much programming, only basics. You will gain working knowledge of a computer system and peripherals to understand the application development process. You will gain programming skills in front-end development. You will gain skill in database creation to design, program, and develop database-driven web application using GUI programming tool and RDBMS. To understand and appreciate open source and open standard concepts. Today, IP is popular in science, commerce, and humanities. Mostly science students opt IP as optional subject. Yes, commerce and humanities also opt IP as their optional subject. Those having interest in programming and computer science. If you learn basic of MySQL, HTML and Java, so just the very basic in front-end development. This is a pretty basic course, doesn't require much of studying, and after this course you wouldn't have much trouble in other courses, which is the first year of engineering. Science students will build their career in the field of engineering and commerce student will start with the IT firm. And humanities student will initiate a backup towards a networking zone. Topics covered under informatics practices. In database management system, MySQL administration will be used in which student can learn how SQL queries will be run in the system. In programming language, Python programming, in which Python programming students can learn how Python libraries will be used for the data analysis, Pandas library, for the data visualization, Matplotlib library. In problem solving, students can learn how to write algorithm of any program. In software engineering, students can learn the process. In emerging trends, like what are the trends in nowadays, like artificial intelligence, machine learning, societal impacts like security and the cyber world can be learned here in the societal impacts. Why study IP? The subject informatics practices is helpful to you in life as it teaches you about computer application to business applications, development of computer programs, etc. It is useful from all the angles, that is engineering side, medical side or commerce or economic side. It is most scoring subject. You will be given a loop and all you need to do is write final two values, that is only two integers. You will get 2 marks rather than writing a whole paragraph. Just be focused cause this 2 easy years are the base of whole 4 years in your lifetime. During entire course, you will be taught basic of hardware and software, programming, Python, the best thing, making GUI and coding program. Then comes MySQL database management system, that is DBMS. Later, if you go with the course in 12th standard, a few new topics will be added like pandas and matplotlib and web development fundamentals. Learning a programming language at early stage would prove to be a very fruitful, especially if you opt for engineering or research career. In other fields too, at a certain point of time, you'd feel necessity of programming to ease and improve your work and performance. The scope for informatics practices. Bachelor of Engineering is a graduate level program. Bachelor of Engineering program is to equip the student with the theoretical knowledge needed to innovate technology and also invent some new technical gadgets. BTech, Bachelor of Technology programs are usually application and skill-based courses. BCA includes various subjects such as programming in C language, basic and advanced, networking, World Wide Web, data structure, advanced C language, programming database management, mathematics, software engineering, object-oriented programming using C++, Visual Basic, programming using PHP, Java. Diploma in computer science is perfect for those students whose basic interest is to master the field of computer science and also work for IT firms. AmTech, ME or MC are the postgraduate courses after BTech, B or BC respectively. If you are passionate about the economic sector and want to start your own startup or become a good manager, you can study an MBA after completing a computer science degree. Major requirements are interest in coding, basic knowledge of programming, research skills. But in a nutshell, you are going to learn the fundamental concepts of programming and how computers work conceptually from the lowest to the highest level in the IP. You will learn how to organize thoughts, write pseudocode, and translate into a program that solves a particular problem. You will also learn the differences between low and high level programming language. If you are having a good research skills, you will surely get benefit from the subject IP. The job opportunities are software developer, IT specialist, cyber security specialist, software tester. Career opportunity and growth opportunity mean different things to different people. What job seekers are looking for include on the job learning opportunities, students are having some tasks that allows for skills development. Re-examine and apply your past experience to the IT industry. Get industry certification. Your degree in another field may be a huge asset. Be open to starting at the bottom. Don't forget the power of networking. Teach yourself relevant tech skills. Look for crossover position. The basic criteria for software developer candidate must have bachelor degree in computer science or related degree like BTech, B or BC. They must having knowledge of the software development lifecycle. Candidate having desire to work in a fast-paced pace environment. Candidate must having ability to develop unit testing of code component or complete application. The job description of software developer is researching, designing, implementing and managing software programs. Testing and evaluating new programs or software. Candidate must need to go with the identifying area for modification in existing programs and subsequently developing these modifications. For IT specialist, candidates should have degree in computer science or a related field is preferable. A good advantage for those having professional certification, example like CCNS, CISSP, MCSC. They must have strong analytical, diagnostic, and problem-solving skills. The job description for IT specialists, they are installing new software and hardware components regularly, evaluating IT system to ensure they meet the necessary demand, assisting with network administration tasks, ensuring data storage is safe and secure, resolving all the issues for workers have with the IT system and software. An IT specialist, computer professional, and IT professional may be a person working in the field of information technology, a person who has undergone training in a computer field, related colleges, universities, and a computer institute, or a person who has proven extensive knowledge in the area of computing. Cybersecurity position will require at least a bachelor's degree. Many employers will require a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, engineering, or a related discipline. Many also require specialized training, industry certification, or related work experience. Cybersecurity specialist job description will be set and implement user access control and identity and access management system. They should work, monitor network and application performance to identify an irregular activity, perform regular audits to ensure security practices. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computer servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, network, and data from malicious attacks. It is also known as information technology security or electronic information security. Application security focus on keeping software and devices free of threats. Malware. The term malware encompasses various types of attack, including spyware, viruses, and worms. Phishing. Man-in-the-middle attack. Denial of service attack. SQL injection. Zero-day exploit. Password attack. Cross-site scripting. These are some attacks which need to be protected by cybersecurity specialists. For software tester, candidate must have a BTech or MTech degree in computer science or related field. They must be up to date knowledge of software test design and testing methodologies. They must have working knowledge of test techniques and compatibility with various software programs. They should have working knowledge of programming. Software testers are doing meet with system user to understand the scope of project. They work with software developers and project support team, identify business requirements, plan projects according to the demand, monitor application and software system, carry out the stress testing, performance testing, functional testing, and scalability testing. Software testing is an investigation conducted to provide stakeholders with information about the quality of the software product or service under test software. Software products are the maintenance is a part of software development lifecycle. It is main purpose to modify and update software application after delivery to correct faults and to improve performance. The essential part of software maintenance requires preparation of an accurate plan during the development cycle. Best colleges for computer science engineering in India. Indian Institute of Technology, Manipal Institute of Technology, Birla Institute of Technology Pilani, Birla Institute of Technology Mesra, Bennett University, SRN Institute of Science and Technology, Vellore Institute of Technology, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, and many more. There are many companies who recruit computer science students from their respective colleges and offers smart packages with great profile. There are Google, Apple, Microsoft Corporation, Goldman Sachs, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, SAP, Oracle, Accenture, IBM, Amazon, Flipkart. Thank you. If you still have any questions, please drop in the comment section. You will get a reply soon. If you like the session, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you students. Have a nice day.